Looking for a move but not sure who to call? Eliteton is an award-winning moving company based in Sterling, Virginia. Our company is fully independent, affordable, licensed, and insured, serving Northern Virginia. We provide local moving services through Loudoun County, Fairfax County, and the surrounding area. With more than 15 years of experience, Elite Movers handles a variety of residential and commercial moving tasks, ranging from moving a single large item up to moving the entire contents of your house. We are a locally owned and operated company that offers a team of certified professional movers. Hourly pricing, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, and availability by appointment. Our professional movers are better equipped to safely transport your possessions than family and friends. Letting our team of pros do the heavy lifting can save time and protect your home and household goods. Moving is always a big project. You never realize how much stuff you have in your rooms until you are trying to pack up for a new location. Leaving your relocation to our best movers and skilled team, your house move will go off without a hitch. Thanks to our extensive hands-on experience, our team is equipped to handle every aspect of your move. That includes professional packing services, loading and unloading, disassembling and assembling furniture, transportation, unpacking, etc. Here is a full list of our moving services: in-house moving, residential moving, packing and unpacking, office moving, furniture moving, local moving, apartment moving, senior moving, piano moving, load and unload, pickup and delivery, and commercial moving. Elite Movers are the #1 top-performing moving company in the area. Contact us today at 571-471-6461 or visit us at www.weareelitemovers.com.